Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with the Make Mix Monday. I don't have all of them bagged up, so I will be bagging them up as I show them to you. So I'm going to start with the blue with the golden shimmer. Everyone's going to get a tablespoon. I'm going to add 2 of these because this is going to be the main. It's really pretty. It has the golden shimmer in it. And it's like I see little pieces in it that fall from the spoon. You can see the blue. So everyone's getting a tablespoon bag of this. Okay. I'm also adding a tablespoon of my Super Platinum Sparkle, which is this one here. That is my Super Platinum Sparkle. Add a little tiny bit more, about 2 teaspoons more. Again, everyone's getting a tablespoon. All the tablespoons are going for $2 a tablespoon. So we will calculate how many bags there will be at the end of the video. And the mix as well. So here's the bag you're going to get. That one. I'm also throwing in a tablespoon of my periwinkle, also with the golden shimmer, which is this one here. Go ahead and bag a tablespoon for you guys. This is this one here. I'm also going to do a heaping teaspoon of the unicorn dandruff in the holographic silver. For that one, everyone is getting a teaspoon. A heaping teaspoon. Okay, for the unicorn dandruff. That's the only one that's going to be a teaspoon, okay? I'm also adding a teaspoon of the purple little droplets. Everyone is getting a tablespoon. Of the purple. I'm also adding a full tablespoon of the new blue tone hexes, which are these here. I'm actually going to do another, about 2 teaspoons more. Everyone's getting a tablespoon. Okay. I'm also adding a teaspoon of my opal dots, which are these, and I'm just going to add a teaspoon. Everyone is getting a tablespoon. Oh, I just spilled some. We will see how this mix comes out together because I haven't done any for myself. So there is that one. This is the black with the oil slick effect. That's what I call it. I'm also adding butterflies to this. So I am doing the mirror effect butterflies. I'm doing a teaspoon of the mirror effect. Everyone gets a tablespoon. Right there. I'm also adding a teaspoon of the metallic luster butterflies in gold. Oh, baggies. I'm also doing a tablespoon for everyone. There. And also adding one more color, which are the turquoise rainbow, and these are the 3D effect butterflies. So these here, you can see they have the 3D effect, and I'm doing 2 teaspoons of this one. Everyone's getting a tablespoon. Those are really, really cool. So everyone is getting a tablespoon of these 3D effect. And lastly, I'm throwing in some hollowed out hexies. And the white translucent. This one has the bluish purple effect to it. And I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of this one. Just 1, 2. Again, everyone gets a tablespoon as well. And that is going to complete the Make-A-Mix. Again, the only one that's a teaspoon is going to be the unicorn flakes. And everything is still going to be $2 a bag. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. Really quickly, I will be able to take orders this week. However, all of next week I will be out of town. So I will not be able to take orders. I may not be answering emails come next week. Starting, I'm going to say Sunday, I'm not going to take any orders. I'm not going to do a weekend sale of a deal. I'm not going to do a Make-A-Mix Monday coming up as well because I will be out of town for the whole week. But however, I will come back the following week after that. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up that I'm going to be gone all next week. So if you shoot me an email and I don't reply, please understand that I am going to be away, as well as my Etsy store. For those of you ladies that like to shop in Etsy, it will be closed for that week as well. However, you are always welcome to make your list of what you like and then just shoot it to me, and as soon as I am back the following Monday after that, I will be sure to take care of everyone's orders. So this week, however, I will take everyone's orders regularly, alright, up until, I'm going to say Friday and Saturday. I'm going to try, but after that, if you don't hear from me, please know that I will be away for a week. Okay, so there you go, guys. That is my Make-A-Mix for you guys. And this one is called Butterfly Blues. It's really, really pretty. And everyone is going to get a tablespoon of this as well. Okay, so let me go ahead and came out super shimmery, super sparkly. Let me do a tablespoon, and then we're going to add up all the bags to see what we got here. Oh, this is really pretty. There you go. There is your mix, guys. The butterfly blues. Came out really, really pretty, huh? Okay, so we're going to count by twos here so we can see what the cost is going to be. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So I'm just going to do, I'm going to do them for less than $2 then if it's going to be that much. I don't want to charge $25 for this bundle. So I'm just going to do 23 shipped. So it'll be $20 for the bundle and then $3 to cover for the shipping. Okay, so if they're going to be less than $2 a tablespoon for you guys, all right? So yeah, 23 shipped for this bundle. Questions, comments, you guys could leave them below. And until next time, guys, have a wonderful week. Bye.